Hello, a quick one on this. Still on the series on statistics. We are on episode number 10, picking a question on the central tendency. So the following are arranged in order of sizes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. If the median equals the mean, we have to find the value of x in there. Let's see how we can do that. Remember, in finding the median, median equals to the middle number, or let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 over 2 n plus 1 position or item. So if the n represents the number of items, that means 1 over 2, 5 plus 1 position. And that means 6 here. That will be the third position. And the third position means first number, second number, the third number. So the median is going to be x plus what? 2. So this is our median. That is, we can also count and pick the middle one. Median means the middle item. Or use a formula to determine that. Then to find the mean, which is summation of all value divided by n. Meaning we add all of them. So let's take it to this place. Your mean will be equal to the first value, x minus 2 plus second value, this will be 4. Second value is 4. Then x plus 2, 2x plus 1 plus 8, all this to be divided by number of items, which is what? 5. Alright, so what do we do? X is here, and x is here. So x plus x, 2x, plus the 2x, making 4x, minus 2 plus 2, 0. 4 plus 9, and that will be 13, right? So I should have plus what? 13, all divided by what? 5. Now, they are saying that the median, this value, equals what? The mean. So here we have median equals to the mean. So the median value we got was x plus 2. The mean value is 4x plus 13 over what? 5. I guess we can cross multiply in this place to cancel the fraction. So 4x, okay, let's multiply it this way first. 5 times this will be 5x. 5 times 2 will be 10, equals to 4x plus what? 13. What do? I bring in this and send this one there. Meaning 5x minus 4x equals to 13 minus 10. If you subtract 4 from 5, you get 1. 1 of the x will be equals to what? 3. So the value of x, if we are to replace all these by numbers, it will be x. So this is what we have. So we can see that the numbers will become 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 5. This is 7, 8. These are the numbers. So you can see from here that the middle number is 5. So if you put 3 here, 3 plus 2, 5. That is it. If you add all these numbers and we divide it by 5, it should be the same answer as if you put 3 here to multiply, making 12. 25 over this, 5. You get the same answer. I guess the concept is well explained. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.